In this video, I'll be showing the engine installed in the engine bay. It was a bit of prep work to get everything looking nice. The 3-inch stainless SP muffler from Performance Exhaust in Sydney was given a bit of a polish to help it look its best. Here's the engine bay ready to receive the engine. I positioned the oil catch can so it's a little bit hidden and not make the engine bay look too busy. I installed some of the heater hoses and vacuum lines that are a bit tricky to install when the engine is in. The rear Hasport mount is in place, ready and waiting. Here's the engine installed after a good 12 months of preparation. The inserts on the Hasport engine mounts don't give much wiggle room, so it was a bit of a fight to get the engine in, but I got there eventually, and I'm happy to see it finally in the engine bay after months of prep. Looking forward to have everything hooked up and to see it running. The freshly coated exhaust housing on the turbo looks nice and shiny. The stainless steel 3-inch dump pipe was given a polish as well. Here it is installed. I made a little bracket for the Mac boost control solenoid and painted it in matching Harvard blue metallic so it blends in the engine bay. Pretty happy with how that turned out. Here's a shot of the receiver dryer and all the hard lines for the power steering. The new window washer bottle is in, and the power steering pump is on. I gave the pump a paint for protection and to help it match the rest of the engine. I installed fresh new belts for the alternator, the power steering and the AC compressor. Here's the new 10-row oil cooler installed. I made a custom bracket and have the cooler positioned so it receives ram air through the duct in the front bumper bar. The Mayhem Metal Works crash bar replaces the OEM bar and gives much more room for mounting the intercooler. It's a quality piece from the USA. The horn was given a refresh and it looks new. The intercooler charge pipes are all mounted and fastened securely. was able to tuck the hoses for the oil cooler with a custom bracket. Here are the new splash guards for the front fenders. And the little sensor for the JDM EG6 automatic climate control, which reads the outside air temperature. In the next video, I'll have more parts installed, including the front brakes and the wheels.